Afternoon, this is Jason with Majestec Security Screens. We find ourselves in Los Angeles today where we've installed our invisible security screens on most of our customers' home here. Here we have our invisible sliding security screen door. Although this looks like regular insect mesh, it's actually a stainless steel security mesh which can't be cut with a knife or broken free from its frame. Also, we've installed some security window screens. Instead of bars on their windows, they now have the same security mesh which secures their windows but still looks very elegant and nice. Although it wasn't required by law on all of the windows here, the customer chose to go with an openable fire escape security window screen so that they could open this up and clean both sides of their glass. It opens here from the inside, but from the outside, once the screen is closed, it can't be opened. Thanks for joining us today. Again, I'm Jason with Majestec Security Screens. You can check us out on the web and see our full line of product at majestecsocal.com or give us a call toll-free at 855-MAJESTEC. Thanks for joining us, and I'm sure we'll be talking to you soon.